The PGYTECH OneGo Lite 16L camera backpack is designed with urban and travel photographers in mind, offering a sleek and versatile style that is perfect for creative shoots and daily commutes. Its innovative dual quick access system includes a 180-degree flip-open lid for easy packing and a side entry camera compartment for instant gear access. This backpack provides multiple storage modes, accommodating one camera and 3 lenses or accessories, and can be converted into a daily bag by folding the top compartment. Featuring all-round protection, the bag includes a scratch-resistant padded base and water-resistant YKK zippers to keep your gear secure in various conditions. For ultimate comfort during long wear, it is equipped with ergonomic padded straps and a breathable back panel, while the water-resistant fabric ensures durability and easy cleaning. The reinforced base adds shock absorption and upright stability, making it a reliable companion for photographers on the go.